Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix something went wrong in YouTube on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're having trouble playing a video on YouTube and this error keeps showing up, there are a few simple methods that can help resolve the issue. First, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to airplane mode. Turn it on, wait for about 10 seconds, and then turn it back off. In many cases, this quick network refresh alone can fix the problem. If the error is still there and you're connected to Wi-Fi, try turning off Wi-Fi and switching to your cellular data. On the other hand, if you're already using mobile data, turn on Wi-Fi and connect to a stable network instead. Sometimes the issue is related to the current network you're using, and switching connections helps YouTube load videos properly. If neither of these methods work, open Settings again and go to General. From there, tap on iPhone Storage and scroll down or search until you find YouTube in the list of apps. Tap on it, select Offload App, and confirm by tapping Offload. After a few seconds, you'll see the option to reinstall the app. Tap, reinstall, and once YouTube is installed again, open it and check if the error has been fixed. Another thing you can try is force closing all apps running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the YouTube app to close it. Make sure you also close any other apps running in the background. Once everything is closed, reopen YouTube and see if the issue is resolved. If you've tried all the steps above and YouTube still isn't working, there's one final solution. Open Settings, then go to General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. After the network settings are reset, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, open YouTube, and the error should now be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix something went wrong in YouTube on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.